How to get Snapchat Plus free trial. For this, go ahead and open up your Snapchat application and make sure you are logged in. Tap on your Bitmoji icon, then tap on Custom App icon. In here, you can find out the exclusive feature of Snapchat Plus. You can read it thoroughly, then tap on Next. Right here, you will find a subscribe bubble. Simply go ahead and tap on subscribe. However, it is not available in my region, but if it's available for you, just go ahead and tap on the subscribe bubble at the end. Then it will display you the packages of the subscription. You will have the subscription package of 1 month, 6 months, and 12 months. But at the bottom, you will see the option of Start 7-day free trial. So you simply have to go ahead and tap on that option. Once you tap on it, select a payment method. So you can select a debit or credit card or your PayPal or Venmo, which is available in your region. Don't worry, because by adding any of the payment method, your card or any of the payment method will not be charged anything for up to 7 days. Before you hit your 7 days, make sure that you cancel your subscription of Snapchat Plus. By doing this, your card or your payment method will not be charged for further days. And if you want to continue with the package, you can select any of the subscription package, then your card will be charged accordingly. So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.